Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am an UPSC aspirant. In this video, I am going to share the summary and mind map of the first chapter of Class 11 NCERT book, Ancient India. Through a series of videos, I am going to share the remaining chapters also. So stay tuned. The first chapter is the importance of ancient Indian history, which is divided into two subtopics that are unity in diversity and relevance of the past to the present. Before diving into the chapter, I want to say about my approach. I have my handwritten notes, which I have made from the videos of only eyes. So, by interlinking the notes and the major phrases from the book, I want to go through the book. So, further any delay, let's dive into the chapter. Ancient India tells us how, when, and where people developed their earliest culture. It indicates how they started agriculture and how they took to spinning, weaving, metalwork, and so on, and how they settled in rural life, city life, and large kingdoms. Different forms of writing that prevalent in modern India are all derived from the ancient scripts. This is all about the introductory part. Pre-Aryans, Indo-Aryans, and the Aryans like Greeks, Huns, Shakas, Kushan, and Turks have made India their home. These people and their cultural traits mixed up so inextricably with one another that it is difficult to identify in their original form. A remarkable feature of ancient Indian culture has been the commingling of cultural elements from the north and the south, from the east and the west. For example, we can say the Dravidian culture in the southern part of India, from which the Tamil culture or Sangam literature flourished. The Munda culture or Koralian culture in the Chotanagpur Plateau, and Vedic culture in the North India. Ancient Indian people also witnessed the birth of Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism. In spite of differentiation in religion, the people of India follow some certain common styles of life throughout the country. India has a deep underlying unity in great diversity. The ancient Indian people looked upon this vast subcontinent as one land. The name Bharatvarsha was given to the land after the name of a tribe called Bharata, and the peoples were called Bharata Santati. Kings like Ashoka, Samudragupta, Pulakesha, and Harshvardhana were called Chakravartian, as they established their authority all over the country. Even the unity of India was also recognized by the foreigners too. The people are called Hindu by the Arab and Persians, and Indus by the Greeks. In the 3rd century BC, during the reign of Ashoka, Prakritic language served as the lingua franca of the whole country. Sanskrit take the same position and served as the state language in the remotest parts of the country. Another notable fact is that ancient epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata, were studied with same zeal and devotion in the lands of Tamil as in the intellectual circles of Takshila and Banaras of North India. Indian history also deserves our attention because of a peculiar type of a social system which developed in this country. In the North India arose the Varna or caste system which came to prevail almost all over the country. It's all about the unity and diversity. The next part is relevance of the past in the present. There is no doubt that ancient Indians made remarkable progress in different fields of life. But the study of India's past assumes special significance in the context of the problems we face in modern times. Caste system and religious sectarianism hindered the integration and development of the country on democratic lines. Though women have emphasized their age-long social subordination prevents them from playing their due role in social progress. So thank you. It's all about the first chapter of the ancient Indian history.